Permaculture is a design system. It's a system that came about in the early 70s as a result of the first energy crisis. So it's a design system by working with nature, it saves energy. When we use biological resources, we can save energy and we can feed ourselves and we can improve the state of our ecosystems. What is an ecosystem? It's a home system. Eco means home. And when we create biodiverse ecosystems, we get enough resources for the system itself to function and for us to harvest from the surplus. So it's about working with nature. It's about looking at nature's patterns and working with nature. We plant food and ornamentals together. We live like a forest. Zero waste. This is the Vicks plant. Very powerful medicine. We have dwarf pomsite. We have coconut. So, as I say, permaculture is about living like a forest. Zero waste. So the kitchen scraps, the wild cucumber, the pond plants become food for the chickens. And in their run, there's West Indian cherry, there's custard apple, there's mango, fruits falling for them to feed on, and habitat for wildlife. This is fertility, organic matter, no waste. Everything goes back into the soil. We have lots of natural vegetation for the local wildlife to feed on. We have pomegranate. We have five fingers. We have a species related to pomerac. We have pomsite and passion fruit. We have Tobago gully root, tastes like burnt garlic, pumpkin and tomato seedlings, lemongrass. This is katuk. It's an Indonesian green herb. Food can be eaten raw or cooked. Thyme. Lots of natural vegetation, pioneer species. This is an edible berry I brought from the wild and put in my bird feeder, full of antioxidants in the melastoma family. Sapodilla bearing this year very heavily. And this is the Zone 1 garden, a pond with tilapia and conchs, soursop, pawpaw, growing vertically. We have jackfruit bearing right now. That tree is a trichantara, it's animal fodder. Terraces. Another wild plant. We know this is a goma baji. Another edible berry. And barrels, growing food for the tilapia and the conchs and the chickens, duckweed and azolla, sugar apple, rough skin lemon, we have tilapia, we have yellow conchs, we have guppies and platies, and the green pond, the pond plants, the floating pond plants. There's nitrogen for the compost, fresh, green, wet for the compost, a poi vine, bird pepper, life in the compost heap. This is a new compost, just started. And wherever we have a roof, we're collecting rainwater. Permaculture comes from two words, permanent and culture. And it's about creating adaptable cultures, since with climate change, our ecosystems are going to be evolving. It's a land use and community building movement. It's about creating self-sufficient neighborhoods and villages, people sharing resources. It is at this scale that democratic self-governance is possible, because everybody knows each other.